Warmly welcome our respected principals, directors, teachers, and my dear friends. Welcome you all for PPT presentation session. I am Datu Kumari and I will be moderator for your today's session. The main theme of our presentation is statistical analysis. Statistics is the backbone of research and decision making. Today's session shows that statistical analysis is not just about numbers but about analyzing them to understand reality and make decisions.
Man who does not need any introduction and known among all of his wisdoms and his knowledge, our honorable principal and maths lecturer, Mr. Shyam Sundar sir. I would like to request our principal, please.
Part of our program. Now I would like to welcome Rajeshwari to give introduction about statistics.
Hi, hello, namaste. Myself Lakshmi Rajeshwari. This is presenting you. I'm here from seminar hall. We are enjoying a lot. Respected teachers and my dear seniors and my lovely friends. All of you here. Hearing my voice?
Yes.
All seniors and juniors. All my dear friends. It's a World Statistical Day. We have started now in our seminar hall. It's the welcome to the World Statistics. Okay? What did it mean by who is the father of statistics?
Aristotle.
Oh, nice. Then this is the picture in from ancient to nowadays. How the people are getting, the people how moderating, and people are how developing. This is a map. Here we are seeing this is a kingdom. All the people who are there in the period of the ancient, around 30,000 years back. BCE means, what do you mean by BCE?
Before Christ.
Yes, before Christ means our Jesus Christ. Right? This is a tax collection in our ancient. What it mean by there? This is blocks. Yes, pyramid. In Egypt, they are used to build like that is symbolic. They are unique. They are symbolic. Right? This is the Indian Ardhashastra. What do you mean by Ardhashastra? The kings who are ruled, they are in grip. People who are to serve, they are used to collect crops and coins. Guided kings to keep detailed tax recorded. Means they are recording who are there, who are giving tax. They are recorded. This is the Ardhashastra. This is the farming. See here, this is the Nile River. The Egyptians means before Christ means around this is 2000 BCE before Christ. They are used to use this water while farming this. All the people are used to collect the grains and they were farm. Agriculture. Wash means it's a collection. Means we are there to, we want some all things like good soldiers, weapons, horse to count. Means how many are there, how it will be war. We should do. Okay, we can. Be on your next. See, how many of you know this? This hand go bone. This is around 10 inches is long, 10 inches of long, and they used to dictate that. This is see here 20,000 BC. This is the world oldest mathematics tool. They used to count the prime numbers, symbolic numbers, all they used to write them. See here, the Lembo and Pizan is an ancient mathematician, artisan. It was used as a tally stick. It's a tally stick. This is the lower Leo bone. From the bamboo, there 3 of the tally marks along the length around 10 meters. 10 centimeters they are used. In that, see here, this is a small, but there are big. 10 centimeters, they are counting prime numbers. You know how many of you know 10 numbers? Yes, we all know. Yes, prime numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, all those things. And all systematic mathematics and calculation, it will be measured. They were used to use that because they don't know how it will be. But they did. We also like that. Should be encouraged by people who are BC and BCom. They want to know, right? They want to serve. We know. But they want to learn something. We should learn. See how the people, they are in ancient, but they are making. See how it looking like. It was Google Map. You know? Anybody you know? Yes, then ancient period 1900 above only they are prepared like that. In Google Maps. Like that, this is the observed John Kitts. He was an inventor, analyst. In London, he is the best mathematician and he is technology in ancient. We don't know anything because we are not even went to the ancient period, how they are looking and how they were wearing or what they are planning. Ancient period only they were decided. This is like that, this is like that. They will used. Next. Yes. Herman Holmes. What is meant by IBM? This is not highlighted, but he is invented IBM. We are using now. What it mean by IBM? It's an international business machine. It is used. Now it is softwares are coming. Computers, laptops, all those things. But he is invented the more 1900 BC. In 1669 that he is invented. Developed calculation method in 1819 cents. Okay, based on the Holman code used thought with holes punctured. 1896 founded the tablet machine company. Means this is the company name. International Business Machine is the popular in ancient period. Now also it was trending, but in software it's using now. Now itself they are using. This is the Thomas Jefferson. CGR means, see this, we know the computer, tableting, recording. We know that recording, we have also computers, right? This is 1924 company has renamed as IBM. When they started? 1890. Yes, 1890 to 1924. It takes so time. It will be success. When the time we will start, first we will do efforts. Then we will look after the result. Beyond, secondly, we should start with efforts. Done. This is now AI. It's AI technology. Ancient to nowadays, that people are developing, right? We are also developing. From the small kids to we are now here, right? This is the data analysis. We are learning marketing, all those things. Marketing analysis and data expression and valuation, graphs, making all things. This is all about statistics in ancient to nowadays. The people who are using in 20,000 BC, they are from the groundwards, not up down. It was growing up. Because of art, we technology use karo, then it's the all AI. See how we are touching. If we touch this, it will move like this. So waves. LED. You know the LED? TVs. Sony TVs. All the things. That technology has improved. How the statistics, it was maintained, collected. This is an. Thank you, one and all. It's my pleasure.
Good morning to everyone. We are from MSCS final year. Myself Varshni and they are my teammates Saujanya and Shivani. Today we are going to give presentation on regression analysis of hours spent on the internet and academics. The purpose of our presentation is to explain about decrease of academics due to the usage of internet. So let's start the presentation with the introduction. Internet plays a vital role in student lives. In today's digital age, internet plays a powerful role. Internet provides us unlimited information, online courses, and research opportunities that support academics. It supports learning and research, but also causes distraction. However, students spend too much of time in entertainment and social media. Its imbalance can affect on their academic performances. Balancing internet use with academics is essential for success. Understanding how hours divided between the internet usage and academics is important to maintain productivity and overall growth. So internet is a double-edged tool. It is useful for study, but risk for distraction. Can anyone know how many hours we spend in a day on internet? It's approximately 6 hours 58 minutes. The high internet usage countries are South Africa, Brazil, Colombia, Chile, and etc. The low internet usage countries are Japan and Denmark. India is in the second place for internet users, around 9 billion internet users.
Respected sir and madam, myself Vanilla from MSc second year. Today's my topic is about statistical analysis of traffic congestion. There is interaction of statistical traffic congestion. Statistical analysis of traffic congestion involves using mathematical and computational methods to understand and models and predict traffic flow patterns and congestion levels. There is two types of data collection and types. Manual counting, traffic counters. Manual counting is we physically counted the vehicles on the road. Traffic counters, devices such as permeative loops or inductive loops, we install on the to record the traffic volume. Thank you. Next, my friend will continue.
Traffic volume. So, this is volume. The number of vehicles passing at volume and on road page. The unit of current of life is basically the number of vehicles occupied to give a length of roadway and district time to
Silence.
Analytical techniques are used in traffic analysis. In this, we have already used statistics, section analysis, statistics analysis, spatial analysis, giving simulation modeling. Having to discuss statistics, calculating averages, content deviation, and other descriptive measures.
Causing slow moving or stop traffic and significant delays. Here is the two types, roadside sellers.
So, roadside sellers always set up the business along roadside, which causes traffic.
Here is a typical example of traffic congestion using highways, lands, they were diverted, leading and both significant delays during peak travel. We have some slogans on traffic congestion. Alive today, alive tomorrow.
Thinking and planning faster and last day. Thank you.
Madam and my dear all seniors. So you have already guessed my topic. Let's go in. So probability and its application. What is probability? Just let's go with the question. Why probability is necessary in our real life? Can anyone please?
Today we are here to present about statistical analysis of fertility and mortality rate. We will discuss now about understanding population dynamics and specific measures, statistical analysis and factors and shows. Fertility means statistical analysis of fertility and mortality rate examines the relationship between number of birth rates and number of death rates in a population fertility rate, age-specific fertility rate. Total fertility rate means a woman who is likely to give birth to her children in a lifetime. The age of total fertility rate is 15 to 42. Fluid birth rate is the number of children given birth in her time. Age-specific fertility rate means number of women likely to give her birth in a specific age. Infant mortality rate. The infant mortality rate means number of deaths in a population. There are three types: infant mortality, fluid death rate, and maternal mortality. Infant mortality.
You are in that scenario. If you are in a scenario